Hi, today I wanted to talk about smoke alarms. The thing you're looking at is a smoke detector for a fire alarm, so we're not going to talk about them. I was thinking more about these. No particular brand, just these in general. Now we all know that when one of these goes off, it's detected smoke. And as such it makes a noise like this. Yes, it's fairly loud, so it should wake you up. But herein lies a problem. Let's say you're asleep in bed and the smoke alarm goes off. Of course you'd hear it, but that's because it's somewhere above your head. But this particular smoke alarm is what is called stand-alone. It's not connected to anything else in any way, shape or form. So if this was, say, downstairs and you're upstairs in bed, would you hear it? Let's find out. My assistant is going to press the button and we're communicating via Alexa. But the first thing I need to do is Ziggy, stop. My assistant is now going to press the button. I can just about hear that the button was pressed. That was how it used to be. People had an independent smoke alarm until the invention of the interconnected smoke alarm. I happen to have here an interconnected smoke alarm. This one is a wireless one. This smoke alarm is interconnected wirelessly. My assistant will shortly press the button on the one downstairs. Except this time you might not hear that one, but this one will start. Ziggy, stop. As you saw, this one started and I never touched it. That's because this is interlinked into the one downstairs. It just happens to be downstairs. These particular ones, you can interlink 24 of them together. If you'd like some of these, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can also get mains interlinked smoke alarms too. If you like this content, a thumbs up would be appreciated. A subscription to the channel, which is free, would be great as well. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.